Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna be talk about something related to startup and analytics, both for the both world, because nowadays we know a tons of startup is growing, and if you are a startup owner, if you are an entrepreneur, so there's a time when it comes then when you have to understand your own analytics, like if you have a website or a web app or SaaS or a mobile product, not mobile product, a consumer product, a consumer app, or a B2B, B2C, whatever, a software entity. And you have to understand the analytics of that entity, or maybe a hardware entity, you have to understand the analytics. And uh, there are tons of alien words when we first enter into this genre, because obviously we don't know about it. None of our colleges uh, taught all of those to us, so obviously huge drawback of our current education system, which doesn't taught us anything related to real world stuff. So another thing, but here a website, I have found a website which have deals with this particular analytics section. So they have took every metrics and explain what the matrix is and what the matrix is about. So let me get straight to the website and show it to you. Here is our today's website, that is Analytics Pack, and obviously this is gonna be helpful for me a lot, because I also don't know about all of those matrices and I have to read about them. I think I should make another video on like the most useful startup resources, or like startup related stuff from where you can learn. So I should make a video about that too, but that in future. So let's see it right now. So they have kept some of the categories like B2B SaaS, consumer app, fintech, and all of those are here also. And there here are some recently added metrics. So I think we should go by the categories, because obviously if you have a particular business, obviously you have a particular business and you have a particular category regarding it, so obviously you should go with the categories. But you can learn about all of those like all of those topic from all of the other categories. So I think first get done your own category, then go through all other categories to have a have a greater overview, or may it happen you can get more or you can learn more from something that you will need in your business too. So yeah, that can may happen. So let me just go with the B2B SaaS. There are 7 topics that they are saying they have. One is what is active user, user retention, feature usage, feature adoption. So yeah, there are those 7 topics, and it's really great that they have included everything here, not everything but included all of those topics. And when you click on a topic, you get this. First you get this one, active user, how many users, like they will explain everything here. And their explanation is quite good, what I have seen right now. Like they have given the screenshot of some of the analytics software, they have given the definition, then why it is important, why it matters, how to increase it or decrease it, whatever. So you can see it here. Okay, so how to define active user, 3 user engagement matrices. So yeah, those are great, and they have really done a great job. So yeah, that's about it about this whole website. If you want to do something like this, like if you want to know more about those matrices and uh, get away get familiar with those stuffs, and like it will obviously help you in your future as well as in your current business as well. So yeah, go through this website and let me know if you like it or not. And if you like my contents in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps or web apps or sites like this, or resources, designing resources, APIs, open sources, please let me know about all of them in the description so I can make video about them too in the future. So yeah, that's about it. Bye.